SSPs, guys. This is a U2 chase car. We should do a like challenge.
What?
Yeah, so 350 likes, we'll do it. Boy, does she look good. Hello and welcome to Gearhead 704. I'm Matt and we are in a very loud place and I'm being very loud and this is a lot of fun. But no, we are at Pitts, guys, Ponies in the Smokies, and this is my first car show in like 2 years. I don't know, pretty close to 2 years, a little over that. Been a while, but it's great to be out here today. As you can see, I've got my lovely assistant who does all the work on the channel right here, Tiffany. And boy, does she look good. Look at Tar Heel Fox. She is looking nice. She's looking pretty nice. You think looking pretty nice, Tiff?
Very nice.
All right. We got the whole booth set up. We got the Fox Resto booth there. Matt's there talking to people. And yeah, it's just a good time. Look at the show field out here. And this is just inside, guys. We've got all kinds of stuff. So I know it's kind of loud, but I'm gonna go through, show you everything, and we're just gonna have some fun today. Don't know how it's gonna turn out, but gonna bring you along for the ride. So let's go do it. Oh, yep, I got my mask hanging here, guys. I am trying to social distance and mask like they're asking us to do here. So I'm taking it on and off for the video, but one of the things I didn't tell you guys, what's really cool about Pitts this year, check this out. These are all SSPs, guys. They have this year the SSP Reunion, which is kind of sad because my SSP is not here. Peaches from Fox Mustang Restoration did also not make it here. We don't have our SSPs here, but I did get Tar Heel Fox here, which was pretty cool. Actually, I ended up with a nail in the tire. Always something, right? But I drove it all the way here, about a 4-hour drive. It was awesome to get it up here. But yeah, I'm gonna take you guys through all the SSPs here. Lots of Fox body content. We have so many Mustangs. This is an all Mustang show. Anyway, enough talking. Let me show you some of these beautiful, beautiful SSPs. Yeah, on each one of these guys, we have got the year of the car, who owns it, and also which agency it was ordered from. This one came from South Carolina. And then I got a cool fact about it. This Power Curve did the dyno tune on this one. You guys know I use Power Curve for all of my dyno needs. I've had Tar Heel Fox tune there twice with 2 different engine combinations. Love Power Curve. SSP is going to Power Curve. So if you need a dyno tune, definitely check them out. I know, I'm interrupting the time lapse again, but there are two SSPs I have to point out here. You just saw them in the time lapse. One, I've talked about it before. This is a U2 chase car. It chased the plane, literally. You can see the plane right there. The guy's chasing it. This is one of those, I think there were 6 of them. I've got a top 10 SSP facts where I talked about it before, but yeah, that is, I never got to see that in person. That is really cool. And the other one I have to point out right here, this is the original SSP. You know, they had like 400 or so go to California Highway Patrol. This is the test vehicle, the very first one. Definitely had to point these two out. All these SSPs, I mean, I think there's about 25, 30 of them. Got one more to show you. This is the other one I had to point out. Believe it or not, I know it looks like a Calypso. This is an SSP. You check it out here. I was talking to Chet, who's the owner, which by the way, Chet, he's always commenting down below. We talked a little bit today. Really appreciate you and your wife watching. I've met a lot of great people out here today, actually, which has really been neat. But yeah, he was telling me this was ordered by Ford Motor Company and they used it as a test vehicle. I do see some police lights in there, but how often do you see a Calypso SSP ordered as an SSP? That is really cool, and I think it might be one of the last ones. Pretty close. I'm sure Chet will comment down below which one it is when he sees the video, but yeah, that is neat. There's one more SSP here I do want to highlight. Check this one out, guys. This is a Georgia State Patrol originally, and of course, why am I highlighting it? It's got a Servinator spoiler on it. You can't beat that, Servinator spoiler. It's looking good, and he actually races it. I love the wheels, a 5-low conversion, so this is closer to what I want my SSP to be, actually. Is more of this kind of road racing style. Take a look under the engine here. I'm sure she moves pretty good, pretty good. I'm gonna try to get back to the booth. It's been crazy around here, guys. It's been crazy. One of the other things they do here is they have a Mustang for every year. So if you look right here, we're starting out with a 64.5, and it just goes all the way around through each year. Don't worry, I'm gonna have a time lapse of that for you guys here in just a minute. We do have a buddy of mine on here today. We've got Hicks House Videos is here, and check it out, guys. He's got like a professional booth. I mean, he's got both cars. He's got Cool Pre here. You see his Hicks House Videos right there. Cool Pre's looking good. I got to do a full review of this. I'm kind of scared to be over at his booth, honestly, because I'm worried my oil filter might fall off. My oil filter's way over there, but last time I was here around this guy, my oil filter fell off. We also, of course, got Mad Maxine, and I know you guys love these gold wheels. You love the gold wheels. Mad Maxine here, and he turned his GoPro off, so there you go. But yeah, Brent's here. He's selling all kinds of shirts. There he is, Mr. Foxbody himself. They know you. I was worried. I told him, I said I was worried seeing your car here. My oil filter might fall off over there. Yes. If you've been following the channel for a while, you know, guys, I've been having some back issues, and so I have to do some exercises for my back. My chiropractor's making me do. You know what? I figured I'd do them real quick. So this is what that looks like, in case you were curious. I know, probably not what you wanted to see in this video. I'm just having fun today, guys. But I think, do you think we should have Tiffany do that? I'm gonna ask her, see what she thinks, but maybe we should make Tiffany do the same routine. I think that might be better than me doing it. So Tiff, I was just telling them I finished up my exercises. I showed them what I did for my back. Yes. And so I don't think they enjoyed watching me do my exercises. So I think we should do a light challenge. So you wanna do the exercises? No, what? Yeah, no. Yeah, you have to do my routine if they hit how many likes? How many likes should we make them for you to do the routine on video? 1,000, I don't know. 1,000, you're crazy, you can't get it. How about 300? Okay, fine. If we get 300 likes on this video, guys, Tiff will do the chiropractic regiment back exercises that I do. I probably will do better than you because I do yoga. Oh, now she does better. Throwing down. Guys, now you got to see it. It's fine. We're going to up it to 350 because she said she's going to do better. So 350 likes, we'll do it. Hit the like button, y'all, if you want to see her do that. And I didn't really introduce you guys properly to the booth today, and so since I did such a bad job, we'll let Tiff introduce it. So walk them around, show them the booth, show them what we got going on.
Sure. Hey guys, we're gonna start here. Tar Heel Fox is front and center, all nice and shined up, as well as the banner that was specially made as a surprise from FMR. I'm so excited. There's even a little scan code if you want to check out the channel. FMR has got all their merchandise, new old stock, the same as the headline, out for sale, and all of their shirts.
Ooh, I want a shirt. I know the code. Tar Heel Fox. $5 off. Woo.
Yes, we do have our Gearhead 704 shirts here for sale. We've got the channel going so people can look. We've got the decals ready. We also have, oh wait, look, even have a couple of our OG blue shirts ready. And I forgot to show you one more thing. So we do have our new sign up, but Matt Special brought out the original sign that he started the channel with. If you want to look, we're talking like the cardboard box. It was my shoe box, I think. I don't even know why. He was so desperate, he just went into my closet and grabbed a shoe box.
I only had 50 subscribers back then.
I mean,
and then from that day, that sign got me 25 more. That's 50% increase.
So we are definitely stepping up the game, I guess you'd say, but we're out here really enjoying getting to meet some people and just hang out.
We did have a casualty on the way out here last night, guys. Matt's checking it right now. Uh-oh. We losing air? I had a nail. You already took the nail out? Oh,
there you go.
There's a screw.
Told you you're gonna get lucky. It looks like it didn't go through.
Get out of here.
Yeah, it's not bubbling.
What is that film on there?
Spit.
Oh, spit.
I don't have my soap bottle, so I'm working with what I got.
You're improvising here.
That's what you gotta do.
There you go, guys.
I can't tell, man. You might have a small leak.
All right, we can check the pressure, I guess.
Yeah, that's what we need to do, is just check the pressure to see.
All right, so like I said, they have all Mustangs from every year starting in 64.5. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys all those. We're gonna get through all of them. We're gonna do it now. I don't know how long it's gonna take. But anyway, let's go ahead and go through these and take a look at each year of the Mustang. It's a nice GT350, but does it have 11 miles on it? There you go, made it through all the years, 64.5 to 2021. There were a few missing, obviously. There was a few years that just weren't there yet, but what was cool, this is my first time seeing a Mach 1. Check that out. You don't see many of these. Don't see many of these. That's how we're into 2021. That's pretty cool. Came outside, you can actually hear me a little bit, but yeah, that's it. That's pretty much 90% of the cars in the show. Inside, take a look at this. Yeah, we haven't even begun to scratch the surface here at Pitts. We just covered about everything, like I said, inside. Really wanted to highlight, though, the SSP reunion. So awesome to see all those SSPs. I think there was about 30 in all. But yeah, we've got a lot more coverage from Pitts coming, guys. This was just the start. So I'm gonna get busy, bring you guys more content from Pitts, and I'm kind of enjoying my first car show in, like I said, 2 years, almost 2 years. So it's nice to be out doing these types of things again. Met a lot of you guys today, so if you came by and said hi, I really appreciate it. That's the most fun part to me, is just interacting with you guys. That's what I really like the most about the shows. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're stopping in for the first time, please subscribe, because I do upload 2 times a week, every Sunday and Wednesday. We'll see you here next time on Gearhead 704. Got Steeda here. As you know, I've got a lot of Steeda parts going on the coupe, the SSP. Hopefully the SSP will be here next year. I don't know. We got a long way to go on that one, guys. A long way to go.
So, we've got...
Be sure you talk loud, because the other guy's talking up there.
He is loud. Oh my God. Okay, so we've got Tar Heel right here, and we've got a special banner that was made. So loud. I forgot to show you. Oh God.
I got a question. Do you bottle that spit? Can you bottle that?
Yeah, it's
Get yours at foxresto.com. That spit. Dr. Foxbody spit, sorry.